Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokemon DEDENNE, which looks like a mouse. So let's start by drawing his head going to his nose. So let's just start here, and nice curve to the left, and stop there for now. So then right here, right in the middle of this round head will be the round or the oval eye, and right at the top is the highlight, and let's go ahead and blacken that in. And then on the left will be his other eye, which is foreshortened. We'll actually give him a little bit of a brow here, so the top of this eye will be a little flat. And then on the left then, like I said, is the left eye, short line, and then an oval underneath that's foreshortened, so it's a little bit narrower, and then the highlight, and darken the rest of the eye. He's got a tiny nose, so we'll just indicate that with a very short line right there, and then draw the mouth right under that. So just an A shape line, and then a curve around it, the bottom, and then he's got one tooth that looks like a diamond, kind of sharp, and then a line here will show that this is the tongue, and let's blacken the rest of the mouth. Okay, so right here he's got these two big ears like a mouse, so we're just gonna start here, go up and back down, so kind of an upside down tear shape, up and back down to meet right there. So now let's draw the edge of the ear. We're going to start thicker here, and then it's going to narrow at the top. And back down. And let's draw the other ear, and it'll be coming off like right about here. Same thing. This one's a little bit foreshortened, so it's a little bit of narrower teardrop shape. And so let's draw the edge. The close side will be a little thicker, and then the top and the far side will be thinner. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue this line back here, and if you notice this curve, I'm going to actually curve this out a little bit more this way, and I'm going to outline that thicker with a thicker marker in a bit. So continuing that line behind the ear, it's going to go this way and down to the bottom. Alright, now right here we've got these short arms, so just a short line that crosses that original body line, and then 3 fingers, triangular fingers, 1, 2, 3, and then the back of the arm. Alright, so now we can continue this curve of his belly to go down and meet this large curve. Alright, so now we can continue this curve to go up here, to go underneath the head. So let's do that. Alright, so now there's a line here then that separates the belly area and chest from the back collar. So it goes like right here. Just draw a short line, and we can finish off the chin by drawing a short curved line that way. Let's draw the other arm from here. Just draw a short line, and then 3 fingers, again triangular fingers, and back. 2 feet are right underneath, so line straight out, and 3 toes, and it just goes straight back. And we'll do the same here. These are very simple looking feet, and back. Alright, so he's got these red cheeks, basically a circle. So let's draw this circle. And coming off it then are antennas, and which are black, and he's also got a black tail. So at this point I'm just going to switch over to my thicker Sharpie because it's going to be black anyway, and this is actually also going to be black. So I just wanted to outline it, but I'm going to fill it in with my marker. So from here it branches off there, and then there's a second branch that goes this way. So let's draw that. It's a little bit shorter, and now I'm going to give it some thickness to narrow down to a point. And same here, I'm going to make this a little bit thicker now. And the upper looks like looks like an antenna. So I'm just going to put a couple lines that cross, one longer than the other. And then I'm going to draw another antenna on the left side. I'm going to go back to my thin marker just because I don't want it to be too thick here. So back here, a line that goes across, two lines that go across, one longer than the other, and I'm just making it thicker using this. If I used my thicker marker like here, it would be too thick. Alright, so then the other part of the antenna then goes right here. Thicken that up a little bit. Now I'm going to go ahead and darken the black parts of the ears, because the ears are black. Behind, the back part of the ears are black, and this is where we can see from the front. So I'm just going to fill that in. And let's draw the tail. So the tail's gonna go up, over, and down. So from here, the end of the tail actually has 5 points, so I'll just go ahead and draw those. And now I can make the tail itself a little bit thicker. And you can just make this roughly the same width all the way to the bottom. And at this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline the main body. And I'm also going to thicken some of the lines of the feet and the arms, just so they don't get lost. So with my thin pen I'm just going to go ahead and draw the shadow line, and that should be pretty much it. This was Dedenne, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.